Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make textures, simple textures. As a noob pixel artist myself, I just started about 2 weeks ago and I'm already learning how to make textures like this. So the first step you want to do is you always want to reference and research. So I looked up pixel dirt textures and this is what I found. This one's it reminds me of Minecraft. There's different ones. This one's definitely Minecraft. But you just want to look at it, see how it looks, so you can kind of reference it in your mind. So if you want to reference it in Aseprite, simply download it. Save it. We'll go to Aseprite. So this video is an Aseprite tutorial. There's many out there. This one is just to show you about texturing. So I'm assuming you know how to use Aseprite. If not, click the link to this video. So after downloading, what you want to do is we'll make a new file. We'll go 16 by 16 RGBA transparent. We then want to make a layer, new reference layer from file. We want to download the file we just opened. So now it's covering our canvas so we can reference it. So obviously the opacity is a bit too much. So you want to right click on the layer, properties, and we'll go 50%. We want to go back to our original layer. We then want to click spray tool. Then we want to go to view, tiled mode, tiled in both axes. Now what this will do is it will allow us to create seamless textures. And what seamless textures are is, let's say you copy the same texture here on this side, on that side, on that side. It's going to look the same without no breaks or uneven marks. So after we get the tile, now what we need is the color. So this is the default color palette and I'm going to delete it. Then we're going to choose a brown. We'll go usually between red and green is good. We'll go about a little dark brown, that's good. Then we want to add the foreground color to the palette. So as you can see, there's about maybe 3 shades or 4 shades of brown here. So we want to go to, make sure it's clicked, sprite, color shades, assign FG to color, add shades to palette. Now it'll give us a bunch of different shades of the color we chose. So now that we have this here, we want to go ahead and start painting. So I'm just gonna kind of like reference it a little bit. Make sure you're just clicking, because if you hold it down, it'll cover the whole entire canvas. And if you mess up on Windows, simply hold Control and press Z. So we have a little pattern here with that color. I'm going to change colors now. It was a little too dark. Over here. Maybe do some together. Change to a different shade. And so now it's looking good. Now I'm going to start putting in manually with the pencil. So I can just start filling in these spaces. Change color a bit. Maybe go to the original brown. And we will, this one's a bit too bright. I'm going to maybe turn it to a darker gray. And just like the Minecraft, the kind of gray dots you see, we can put in a few here. Not too much. And we'll go back, put more this darker brown in here. There's a little texture, and it's done. And it would be perfectly seamless. So if you would export this, for example, to Unreal Engine as a texture, and you paint it on a landscape, it will be perfectly seamless. So that is the dirt one. Here is the grass one I made. It's the same concept. So we'll go and look for a grass texture. This is the one I found pleasing to me. But this time, I'm not going to use it as a reference. I'll just kind of make my own. So here we go. Spray tool. View. Grid. Tiled mode, sorry. And I'm not going to delete all the colors this time. I'll just add the shades. So we have green here. Kind of want it dark. Add the color palette. Sprite, color shades, assign color. And you can change the hue and saturation, but for now we'll just leave it. So add shades to palette. So I kind of want a more darker one. I think the rest we'll do in this color. And we'll go with pencil tool. Might be a little too saturated for me, but for the example, this is nice. And there's another simple grass texture that's seamless. And that's the base of this seamless texture technique. It can apply to making a rock texture, a road texture, anything you think of. Thank you for watching.